Saan ka? Paluwaya man daw yung Gab. Gabriel. Ano kairog niyo sa unyo? Nga naman daw. Imburuntarag mo na yun dito ho. Tapos ang sapin sa likod, nagkawarara naman. Kay binuruntarag mo na yun dito ho. Tapos ang sapin dito, nga daw. Hindi, nga daw mo daw ang sapin. Good evening to all. It's my perfect day. Hindi ka mo na doon. Parang mo na ka ano. Ano na doon yun? Isandal mo dito. Halagbaon pa man doon sa baba. Ulan na. American Koya, how was your day? My day is have a good day. Thank you for watching. Gabriel nga yada. Gab! Nga do kay irog yung suon. Ibig sabihin kay irog son badi may ano sa lirarong. Nararasan lang ha. Isaat mo didi ho, hoy. Sabi ko baga isang at mo didi ho. Ayan mo. Taas mo yan. Nan, tama na. Nan, sige. Tama na yan. Gabriel, paano naman yun? Kaya naka-live ako, nagla-live ako. Itapo ko lugod yun, ha? So, to say hi. So wish I could watch from other account. American Korea just dropped by to say hi. Still wish I could watch from other account. I think you can. You can watch. Hindi na makalaya. Hi, San. Kumusta na? Hindi ako makaget over sa ano doon. Kay scammer. Sa butid anti yan. Tapos, diri man kagwapuhan. Tapos, ang lakas ng scam. Hindi talaga ako makaget over doon. Hindi ako makamove on. My God, ang kapal na mukha. Ang yabang-yabang. Yabang-yabang na ganito ganyan. Para magustuhan siya. Na high blood ako. At ugara na ako dugo. Na high blood pa. Oh my God. Hindi ganun kadali kumita ng pera. Shucks, talaga. I'm just saying, hi, working ako today. Ingat ka dyan. Ayan no. Siya, dali lang niya makuha yung perang landi-landi lang. Sweet talk. Target talaga nila yung bite na ano eh. Kapag pumalag, next prospect. Buti na lang ako nag-no ako dati. Muntik na ako ano dun eh. So, I'm sorry. Napit still banned. I think it's not No, no option here to unban the banned account. Maybe someone to unban you if someone who banned you. Me, I didn't know to unban. I'm sorry, move on na tayo dyan. May stress tayo dyan. If you know everything, you will be in the highest level. Yes. Lesson learned talaga. Lesson learned talaga yan. Nako talaga. Ay, talaga. Hindi lang talaga ako. Unbelievable lang talaga na. Hello. Hindi ka kagwapuhan. Tapos, yung sa level naman ng kabuhayan, wala din naman ano. Wala din. Ayan. Sa level ng kabuhayan, hindi ka lang din naman, hindi ka rin nasa highest talaga. Talagang talkative ka lang talaga. Ay my God, hindi ako talaga makapaniwala. Maraming Pilipino ngayon, tumitirada ng mga magkapera lang. Filipino scammer, ha? My God. Hindi ako talaga makamove. Oh my God, ang kapal ng mukha. Mamera ka ng minsan, mamimira ka ng babae, kapwa mo Pilipino, mamimira ka ng babae, tapos nagsisikap yung taong yun. Alam mo yung estado niya sa buhay, imbis na tulong, hilahin mo pataas, hinihilan mo pababa. My God. May saltik, no? May saltik yung mga gandang, tapos pa ganyan-ganyan pa, mga ano ko, may mga kami ari-arian. My God. Tapos, kapag nakitaan mo na siya ng mga red flag, ang dami nagkakandara pa sa ating babae. Oh my God, mga lapyolo na yung galaw. May mga nice. Kung yung pala yung hanap ko, dapat, una pa lang, sa itsura mong yan, nag-ano ka pa ng standard. Kumbaga, pasalamat ka kasi ikaw pinatulan. Oh my God, kung alam mo lang. Hindi ka patol-patol naman yung pagmukha mo. Yes, super. Talaga. Ang kapal talaga ng mukha niya. Hindi talaga makamove on doon. Kapal. Ang kapal. Popost ko talaga. Ay, hindi ako magpopost. Mapaparinig ako sa kanya. Total, nandun naman siya sa Ay, hindi ko pala sasabihin. Basta, lang ako. Kasi hindi rin man niya aram na may ako dito. Mag-ano talaga ako, parinig ako sa kanya. Nakikita niya yon. Hoy, mag-ingat kayo sa mga Pilipinong scammer pag gamit-gamit ng mga ganyan. Tapos ang kapal ng mukha niya, ang dami nakakandara pa daw sa kanyang babae. Sa madali daw niyang makuha. Yung mga ganyang galawan. Nako, scammer yan. Cheryl, will you talk English? Yeah. God. I can't believe a Filipino scammer. Gosh. I can't believe too much. No. I hate. Like and share, ate. Thank you, Clarence Loyon. Chill, yes. Kailangan ko mag-chill talaga. Pero na-high blood talaga ako. I need to chill, but I'm not, It's happened, yes. Lesson learned. Sometimes, kapwa mo din talaga hihila sa'yo pababa. Ayaw ko na lang magkapwa. Yes, indeed. Oh my God, that was yesterday. Don't worry, I banned him. That Mike. No, not Mike. Oh my God, not Mike. Not Mike. Not Mike. Oh my. Wrong identity. That's not a Mike. My cousin, we don't judge Mike. Okay, Tim. Though, calm down. That's just nice. We met before. He met me before, but I reject this man. But suddenly, I noticed he scam another woman. Maybe not just one. Oh my God. Well, I didn't know. Stop, Tim. He's not. Maybe we don't need to judge, but we need to avoid. Yes, I need to calm down. Scammer. To. Kapal na mukha. Kasuka nga ang mukha. Yes, I stop. Hindi, I can't believe that guy is not beautiful. He's ugly. He don't deserve ano the scammer. Block him. Yeah, we block him. Stopping means stop. Okay, move on. Chill tayo. Si Nini, galit siya bongga. Me, I need to chill. Ay, galit talaga. Kahit ako, galit na galit talaga. Nang makita, magpo-post talaga ako. Pero hindi ko siya babanggitin. Ano lang, I need to inform the ladies, the women, need to be aware, beware of this kind of man. Yes, we need to beware this kind of mind. And this man, Filipino man, narcissist, manipulator, yes, blackmailing, English and son. Kailangan natin mag-English. Team, he wants to understand what we talk about here. Hi, Rod. Hello, Rod. Okay, just stop, Cheryl. Okay, I stop. Stop, look, and listen. Change topic. It's fine if I talk here, if Filipino watching what I talk here. Need to you need to be fair. Man provides woman, not man still woman money, because it was a long time ago. Get over it. Okay, fine. I remember that word. Stop, look, and listen. Stop, look, and listen. What is your food? My food, rice and fish. Hi, Rod. Stop, look, and listen. When I stop, look, and listen, oh my God. Stop, look, and listen. Ano ko talaga, we need to beware the red flag people. We need to, we need to be careful to trust someone. If you can't handle this, then you can stop. Okay. It's that TOEFL program. It's a fun one so far. Yes, it's a fun TOEFL program. Grabe tong to. Kung ako yan, may kalagyan talaga yan sa akin. May kalalagyan siya. Siguro maybe the patient is this calm, but but the patient when it's going slow, oh my goodness, magsisisi talaga. When table turns talaga. But God is God all the time. We know early. I'll do the time. Hi, for 9 people watching. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you. You say you love me too. So what? They could change my life forever. And I promise you got me, you'll always be together. Oh my god. If you can't handle this, then you can stop doing. Kung maibabalik lang ang dating ikot ng mundo, ang gusto ko lagi na lang sa piling mo. Kung maibabalik lang ang dating... Hi! Cheryl, talk to people in your room. Hi, Doc. Okay. Cheryl, you shouldn't be talking to another guy outside of life. It's considered cheating. Oh? Cheryl, you shouldn't be talking to another guy outside of life. It's considered... I'm not... Oh my god. Don't create story. Hi, Cheryl. Hi, Doc. Blom's creation. Hi, Blom's creation. Wow, no Tim. She's not talking other guy. She's talking about the guy I meet. The guys that is coming. No worries. She's not talking to another guy. I'm not talking to him. Oh my god. You don't know this story. Tim, you need to ask me first before accusation. Cheryl, talk to the people in your room. Okay, sorry. You always like that. Happy birthday, everybody. Happy New Year, Junior Garza. Hey, hi, Mopsy. Welcome back. Doc. Hi, Doc. Doc, nobody likes you. Oh my God. Junior, stop. You're playing again, huh? Chill, chill. Chill, chill lang. We need to chill. We need to calm down. But I try to chill. I try to calm down. But I hit this. But I hit the. But I hate them this month. Junior, I told you to be nice or you're bad. Yeah, Junior, be nice. Okay? Aray ko. Happy Merry Christmas sa'yo, Junior Garza. Every day is love. Thank you for the 12 people here. Thank you. Scammer here in the Philippines is kumakalat. Nakakahiya. Yuck. Ew. I know nobody know. Docs, no, don't, don't listen, Doc, to, ano, Doc, don't listen to Junior. He's greasy. Sorry. I don't like anybody but Cheryl. And Charity. I'm joking though. He's joking. Doc, we have our own good side, no. Sino yun? Gab! Hoy! I like your dog. I just like to play around. Oh my god, block that account. Who blocked? Huh? Hopon. I don't know Hopon. Go! Okay. Who is me? No, not me. Oh my god. This is my phone. Whoever is missing. But okay, I was believing you for a minute. I was for a minute. Hello, sister. Hope you well. I have been watching and it looks like you're in a very good mood. In a very good mood. Junior, you're a joker. That's a joker. Junior. Junior. Junior, nasaan ka? Nasaan ka? Oh my God. I was afraid this time would come and wasn't prepared to face this kind of hiding from within. I've learned to live my life since. Maybe I just dream of you tonight and if you I see American, I stalking now. Huh? You stalking him now? And touch me once ice. I can't put it as stalking you. I stalking. Doc and Junior, you cannot joke on her life. I'm only watching. Insan, I miss the beach. And Tico, let's go, let's go. We're going to the beach. Me and Gab, we're going to the beach this weekend. Or maybe this weekend or another next weekend. Maybe next weekend. We're going to the beach. Me and Gab. Oh, sorry. Santa Magdalena Beach. Yes, Santa Magdalena Beach. Oo, punta kami doon. I will go. You have to be willing to Tim, when I'm going there, we can visit my cousin Chuck. I hope. I'm hoping. Chuck. You're gone and oh, so far away. I was afraid this time would come and wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurting from within. I'm going to live my life beside you. Maybe just dream of you tonight. Na da 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 da. Thank you for 8 people watching here. Thank you so much. Thank you for 5 thumbs up. Are people silent now? Da, da, da. They can joke, but they are not trying to have a secret affair like you wanted Gerald to do American. Huh? Me, I wanted? Oh my god. I watch while I work out, just not typing. That beach, did you try to go to the Tickling Beach? Mayroon bang Tickling Beach? Charity, we don't give names of places out because people miss you up there. Okay. I like the name of the beach, she said. Tim is right, people are crazy out there. Don't never give your location. Okay. Thank you po. I understand a girl from Vermont that was a YouTuber, 22 years old, and was founded with her head cut off. Oh my God. Diba yung sa matnog, okay. Di ko pa napuntahan yun. Yung tikling, di pa. Dadi lang ako dito eh. Nakakabot lang ako sa beach pag na aragda, gano'n. Naaagda. She gave out too much information. Okay, that's why. Message her on Messenger for private. Okay. Cheryl is humble. Thank you, Doc. Thank you, Doc. Why you say that I'm humble, Doc? YCM. Just Charity, I followed your channel as the bear is 2005 po. I wanna go there, but Mama doesn't want me to go to me to go. You know it is on the other island, but change topic. Yes, change topic. Yeah. Ano yan? Parang ang word naman nag-English kita din eh. Ay, para tayong nasa outside world. Somebody yes charges FaceTime here. FaceTime. Good evening, sister. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening, sis. Fighting on English and Sun. Love and learn. Love and learn. Salamat. Hi, Manay Christy. Lover lang. Hindi, wala si Mike. Ano pala ngayon? May trabaho pala. Nabuhay uli. Nabuhay uli. Tutulog na diba? I will team. No worries. Thank you. When you go here, team, we're going to the beach. Here and have a lots of beach. Lots of it. Oh my kulay. Masucha. Very busy ang person. We want very busy talaga ang person. Have time. Oh yes, we won't have time for the beach. Yeah, we're going busy that time. YouTube is a fun thing, but can be dangerous at the same time. Yes, Doc. It's true, Doc. Doc. That's right, Doc. We need to be careful here, like giving the important information. Trust is rare nowadays. Hi, Manay Christy. Me too. Super busy ang person. Mina ng kapira. Yes. Kailangan natin mag-ipon. Mag-ipon para sa future. We need to save for the future. We don't know about tomorrow. That's why the present just need to prepare. Enjoy and preparing for the future. Sambeda. Kahit ka it only reminds Mao for tomorrow. For tomorrow. Lover lang. Hello, Christy Bonso. Why you say bonso? Why you say bonso? American. American. That's why enjoy the present, cause tomorrow is Mr. Rich. Turtle said yes. That's right. Turtle said. That's right. Oh, that's somebody there. Oh, that's somebody there. American, you're supposed to speak English. Goodbye. Just charity, so did God. Go, go pala. Teka. Pangarap ay sanibin na lang matitagpuan na parang bang kay na pambalaan. Oh my God. Oh my God, Tim. Again? What American Kuya did? Hala na. I think it's nice. It's not doing bad. Oh my God. Natulog na si Gab. Gab sleeping. May gulay. I tell you later. Why? Okay. Okay. Why? What? Okay, bye-bye. See you later, everyone. Bye. Inside gonna go back to work. Manay Christine, good night po. Alis na muna ako. Inside Manay Christine. Bye-bye. Bye, Doc. Bye, Insan. Bye to all.